Hi, good evening. It is a day 32 of improving my communication. Well, coming to yesterday, as usual, morning at I wake up at morning 6 o'clock and finished my cup of tea. Actually, from like 1 month ago, in a house drinking tea, but we are not. We are not regularly drinking tea, but we like coffee. So I didn't like it. So I want to change it because in tea there will be lot of caffeine. But where is coming to brew, it will be less. So I want to change it. Next, coming to my day, what happened in my day. And I have watched a Malayalam movie. And it is okay. I enjoyed it. It is a comedy genre. It was good. Like there is two friends, and one friend ex is another friend wife, and the ex-wife of a person who is married sister is marrying to another person. So what they happen between there will be rivalry between them. All about this story, how he married his sister and how he managed his ex. And yesterday I'm not studied anything because I want to take a break. Yeah, all about yesterday.